Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get threads for Instagram. So now Instagram has launched a new apps integrated with the Instagram called Thread, and here's in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the app. So first, if you want to you can just go to your profile, click on the three lines icon at the top right corner, and you'll find threads. So here, click on that option. So you can see this will be appear, and to get the threads app, you can just click on this button at the bottom, get threads, and you'll be directed to the Google Play or the app market on in your phone, and then just click on install. Just wait until the installation process is finished, and you'll get the Threads apps. I'm going to move forward to where the apps has been installed. Okay, so now the Threads has been installed, and you'll be directed to the apps. You can just click on login with your Instagram account and wait for it to load. Okay, so you can create a profile for your threads. You can create input your name, a bio, and also link if there's any. I'm going to just skip this part, or you can also import it from Instagram. Okay, I'm going to import it from Instagram. Click on continue at the bottom and set your privacy of your profile. You can set as public or private. I'm going to go with public. Continue. So it will also allow you to follow the same accounts you follow on Instagram. You can choose to follow all, or you can also skip this part. Okay, so there will be also an explanation on how the thread works. Click on join threads, and there you go. Here is how the threads look like. If you want to go to your profile, just click on the people icon, and you can see I haven't posted any threads yet. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.